What's going on, guys? Hatch and Alex here for another video. We're headed over to our buddy's shop to do the first couple mods on the E46. This thing is way too quiet right now, so we're going to start off with a muffler delete and then maybe take the resonator off if it's not loud enough. And we're also going to throw on some brand new Blizzak winter tires to deal with all this snow. So we'll see you guys in a few minutes and we'll get the mods going. Peace.
And we come straight out the Bronx, so we wildin'. Shout out BK, free Bobby and free Rowlin'. Free my V12, holla if you C12. Febreze, believe me, it'll cover the weed smell.
Here's the big rear muffler that we're going to start with taking off first. Go back here, and here's the resonator. We may or may not take this off depending on how loud the rear muffler is when it's gone. So we were just looking over here and we found out that these cars actually have a little vacuum operated butterfly valve that makes them a little bit louder under throttle. So that's kind of cool. It looks like this one's been stuck open and still a little bit too quiet for me. We happen to have a full set of Blizzaks that we're going to be throwing on these tires because they have literally nothing left on them, and it's the middle of January, so these are going to be a huge upgrade just at the right time, and it's so awesome that he happened to have them in stock, so that's going to be awesome. Basically what he did here was take some smaller tubes, they're just barely smaller than the stock diameter pipe, and stuffed them in there, and then did a quick tack weld so that they're connected, and then he bent a 3-inch piece so that it would fit around these two smaller ones, and then essentially we're just going to do 3-inch out, and that's going to be it.